have on zero makeup, so it might look two-tone, three-tone, I don't know. You know, the sun done beat my face up playing in the pool. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome to my channel. And as you can see, we're about to talk about I got a house. You see it in the title. I got a house. I have a house. I am a house person now. Let me give you a little backstory. I'm the type of person that do not like to move. I do not like to pack. I don't like to unpack. So my thing is, I like to sit still. I raised 6 kids in New York City and didn't move as much as I moved in Georgia. Jesus. So with that being said, I got a house. I had to step back for a minute. Wait. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you know G, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. I have my hair up in the ponytail. So if you know G, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I said that already. I'm so hyped. Do me a favor, subscribe, comment, and turn on that bell notification. That way you'll be notified each time your girl uploads or go live, because I will be going live a lot. I'm gonna tell you why. No, I'm just excited because 5-year lease. And I'm going to tell you, I'm the type of person that do not like to move. I'm not a moving person. Sit me still. I update the house, whatever, because I'm a DIY person. And you can't do DIY too much in an apartment. Now, this house, oh, back to my story before we get to the house. I lived in New York City. I lived in Brooklyn for 9 years before I moved to Georgia. Before I lived in Brooklyn, I lived in the Bronx with my mom and stepfather. We didn't move like that. We moved like 3 or 4 times out of my whole damn life. I'm 54. And I left New York at 20. Came back at 26, 27. Stayed in one house for 9 years in Brooklyn, because I didn't move to the Bronx. I moved to Brooklyn. Then I moved to Georgia, and then I moved and moved and moved and moved. Let's see, the house, the apartment, the house, the apartment, in-town suites. I lived in in-town suites when I broke my leg in 2015. And you know, time flies. As when I looked up, it was 3 years later. 3.5 years I've been in in-town suites. And people are like, girl, you homeless? How can you be homeless paying rent? In-town suites was just a studio apartment. And the one I lived in was really nice. I mean, really nice. You can see it on most of my videos on Tara Love Diva TV. I'll put links down below. Maybe sort of kind of. But go check out Tara Love Diva TV. Go back, way back. 6-7 years-ish. I don't remember, but go back. So I lived in in-town suites. Then I moved into this complex here. I lived in one apartment for 18 months, and then I needed to upgrade from a 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom. This is where I'm at now. So I'm in a 2-bedroom. 18 months done passed. I have to go because the walls is like going like this to me. Every time I wake up, the walls are just going. The house is apartment is getting too small for me. So with that being said, I have a 5-year lease. Thankful to a husband and wife, they brokers that I'm renting from, and they agreed to a 5-year lease. I was approved, and now I will be in it August 28th. But it's a fixer-upper. I love it. Hey, it's not that bad. To be honest, it's really nice old house, built in 1983-ish. Yeah, 1983. Really nice. Master bedroom, does have a bathroom. Then it's another bathroom. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a basement, a small patio. They had a large patio, but she said she downsized it to a smaller one because it was too much work to keep up. And they older couple, so I understand. So it's a patio, unfinished basement, which is cool because I'm gonna finish that up, and that's gonna be my sewing area / office. I have a room for my shoe closet. It's gonna be a beauty room. So the fixer-upper part, the carpets has to, it gotta go. I walked in and I almost had a panic attack looking at the carpets, but I kept my cool. I filmed it on my phone because I forgot my camera. So it's gonna look a little janky because it is what it is, because I didn't really stay steady and I'm busy talking to the lady and the other person that was there with me. Yeah, so the carpet has to be pulled up. The refrigerator has to go because I opened the bottom of the refrigerator, which is the freezer part, and I seen a roach, and woo, I almost lost my cool in that lady house. Good thing I know how to keep my cool. But when I got in the car, woo, I was like, let's go get a drink. But I did. Anyway, so I have to replace the refrigerator, which is cool. I'm going to take it and put it in the garage and sandblast it or whatever and have it for a second refrigerator. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to have somebody else do it because Tara's not touching that refrigerator. I have to paint. The house needs painting because it's super yellow brown. It's mostly wood. It was not wood at first. They just painted to be, I don't know. But anyway, it's cool. It's nice. The floors has to come up. The refrigerator has to go. The cabinet, the whole house has to be painted. The basement is unfinished. I'll figure that out probably September-ish. But I'm going to take you on a series on renovating this house. Updating, I don't know what you want to call it, but we're going to be having a series. Floor first. Floors has to go. So with that being said, I have 2 people that will help me pull up the carpet and also help me because I will be putting down floors, but I need help at the same time. It's a house. I need to knock out 1.5 rooms in a day. I can't do all of that by myself in order to be in there by the 28th. So I did get help for that. What else? Oh, the backyard. It's nice backyard. It has just a bunch of dirt. Front yard is lovely. They have like plants and stuff. She redid the driveway. It's a 2-car garage. I needed a 2-car garage for one. I purchased a Lincoln from a friend of mine's. And the only reason why I said I purchased it because it's just sitting there. He's not driving it. So in order for it to stay at my complex, because he had no place to put it, I bought it from him for $1. Now that I have a garage, I can sit it in there till you come and get it. There we go. So if you see a car and be like, it's a Lincoln. It's mine. Ta-da! So I have a 2-car garage so I can do my DIY projects and stuff like that. As far as the backyard, I will be building a deck. Yes, a deck. And as long as it's not so high up, you don't need a permit. It's just going to be pallets. I will get a whole bunch of pallets and do what I do, and then I'm going to build a fire pit. Because that's how big the backyard is. I could build a deck with a walkway and then have fire pit. So yes, I'm going to do my backyard up. I wish I could put up a fence, but that's too expensive. So with that being said, I have to find a way to keep the animals out my yard because I'm not animal friendly. I have to figure out. I'm not going to figure out. I have a plan to keep the animals out of my yard. So sorry, but not sorry. I'm not an animal person. I don't want deers, raccoons, nobody's dog, nothing. I wanted to sit in my backyard and chill for 5 years. I don't want anybody's animal in my yard. I'm sorry. And I said that to somebody. Well, animals, how can you keep an animal out your yard? Honey, there's ways. I don't hate them, I just don't like them. I'm not animal friendly. Matter of fact, I have a big super fear of dogs, cats, birds. I'm not an animal person, so I have to get away to keeping them out the yard because train them. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do when it comes to that fixer-upper. I'm excited. I already looked at furniture because I'm getting rid of this furniture here. I'm that type of person, when I move, I don't really take a lot of furniture with me. I really don't. So I'm getting a whole new furniture, well, couch, and a dining room table. I'm trying to build a dining room table, but that can wait. That's not that far in. Well, it could wait until November, before November, because I am doing Thanksgiving at my house. Go Tara, go Tara, go. But anyway, I want an 8-seater, 6-seater, 8-seater. How many children I got? 1, 2, 3, and 5 grandkids. So 3 grandkids. Anyway, so I'm doing that. I'm also going to be building my beauty room. Whew, I have ideas. I might put some ideas up so you can see my beauty room. Ideas on my dining room. As far as ideas for the living room, I don't have any right now. I just want a couch, put my TV up and my music. I'm good right now. And the other bedroom will be my gaming room, because I need a space for my gaming room and my TV for movie nights. Because my living room is going to be kind of off limits. Especially when my grandkids come over and the kids. That bedroom, children should be seen, not heard. I don't want to see or hear you. But anyway, that's how I raise my 6 kids. I want children should be seen, not heard. And when I'm around people, I don't want to see or hear you. So it's upstairs in the room. You got games in the PlayStation or Xbox, whatever. So that's gonna be my gaming room / guest room for children, grandchildren, and children. So yes, stay tuned for this series. I am so excited. Oh, my earrings and my ring is from Paparazzi. A friend of mine, she sell these, so you know. Can you see it? Yeah, a friend of mine sell these. This is cute. And the ring. This is mine. Yeah, so the earrings are from Paparazzi. I will put her name in the description box, her Instagram in the description box. And do me a favor, if you decide to buy something, this is not a sponsored video, but if you decide to buy something, say Tara Love Diva sent you. Go Tara, go Tara. Support your people. And when I say your people, support your friends and your family. Stop being, yeah, anyway. So, oh yes, I have a lot of people asking me, hey, are you doing a housewoman? Are you doing a housewoman wish list? Let me know. I'm going to get you something. Girl, you only had to tell me once, because I'm going to create one. Well, I started creating one, but I'll put that in the description box as soon as I'm done adding stuff to the wish list. But thank you all for your inquiries about the housewoman and housewoman wish list.